TraxNYC review, item number 65789, our Venom pendant. Handmade in New York City's Diamond District. Solid 9.25 sterling silver, fully engraved on the back. Heavy plated in white gold for this beautiful finish. Look at the details on this enameling. The mouth, the tongue, the eyes. A piece like this would normally sell for at least $1,000 anywhere else, especially with the detailed finish we put. The same type of detail we put on a gold piece. It's on the website for about $650. It weighs around 65 grams, 3.5 inches tall. It's definitely a big piece and will turn people's heads. You can change the color of the enameling and you can lay it away for $65. You can make payments over 2 years. As soon as it's paid off, we manufacture it to you, ship it directly to your door with FedEx. We ship hundreds of packages, 15 years in the business. Call the office, 212-391-3832.